Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we rewading into the fashioning world, fashion and pictures. We all be exploring the beautiful and stylish Mima dresses. But where are you fashion lover, structural education or just looking for something to wear to your next event? This video for you. Is Mima dresses. The Mima dresses is a transitionist modern stylish worn by many women and often stylish videos following. Subscribe description on the legend Mima dresses are type typically often over during or special gathering. Mima dresses Mima dresses are known for their luxurious designs. They are often made with perfect fiber like Chiltofton Mima dresses hand include usually some attend Mima dresses long and following will other Mima dresses. Many come in modern cuts with transition. The color pattern range from deep jewel tone to soft, creating to every positional and ocean. The Mima dresses are perfect for a variety of occasions, from wedding and Eid celebration to from dinner or even celebration outing. The Mima dresses offer a timeless pair it with a matching depart stylish help and some stems jewelries and you are ready to turn her. Here are a few stylish type for your Mima dresses for a daytime event. Go with lighter color and mineral makeup. For an evening look, OPT for makeup dark shades like every blue morn or beautiful green with gold. New ideas. You can always stylish the overall look. The Mima dresses is more than just fashion, is career. Subtle meaning for many is requesting tradition raised indently. It's a symbol of most beauty and finding. Over the years, designers have started bleeding modern with transition route makeup, making it a popular choose a morning younger generation. Went to get you one Mima dresses. You can find the in luck transition clothing storage or online makeup. Please like um, um, Amazon and religion designs storage. Always check for very quality, size chart and customary reviews before publishing. Thanks for watching. If you are enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Latest let us know in the comments with your favorite stylish for transition dresses unit. Next time, stay stylish and stay proud of your roots. World you like this, subscribe in different language or views format. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let us know in the comments with your favorite stylish of transition dresses unit. Next time, stay stylish and stay proud of your root. Went to get no Mima dresses. You can find them in look transition clothing storage of or online makeup. Please the like. Thanks for watching. If we enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let us know in the comment section with are your favorite thank for stylish transition dresses. Until next time, stay stylish and stay proud of your roots. Would you like this right in a different language or voice? Viewers